to the Road Warrior Project. I'm Nate, and today's video is just going to focus on basically what cameras I'm going to be using to make my videos. I have made videos in the past, but I've never really liked them. I'm not very savvy at all the video editing, but I'm trying to learn. So there's a couple of things I did pick up to help me. Usually I just had a phone before. I just had a pretty crappy phone. But now I have a decent Samsung. And I also have a few other cameras as well. I got this, I have this 4K little camera from Amazon. Comes with a mic. Records in 4K, 60 frames per second. But I have it set to 1080. So I don't need 4K. You just open it up, turns right on. Close it, turns off. This was just a straight like 140 bucks off of Amazon, and it seems to do a pretty decent job at actually recording. It had a very good reviews. Comes with the hood as well. This screws off. Screws right back on. This is to help keep some shade for the lens. Has a bunch of different features. Slow-mo. You can pick a bunch of different ones. You can actually take pictures. I think the pictures it takes is actually 36 megapixels. And they're pretty nice pictures. You know, once you get on into put them on your computer, you can edit them any way you want. So it's actually pretty decent. So that is this 4K. It's really just a no-name brand. Just says DVC, Digital Video Recorder, 4K. It's a 48 megapixel. It's the Wi-Fi edition. It's touchscreen. So yes, this is what I'm going to be using to make my videos with. So first thing, I also have this lapel mic. It's a wireless lapel mic. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to see if it works. Charge it up, pin it here. This one goes into the receiver of your phone or the camcorder itself. Then I have another camera that I actually just picked up today. It is a Ruco drone, FPV GPS drone. Comes with the controller, and this is the drone itself. It's a foldable drone. The battery actually goes right in there. They're charging at the moment because they are dead when I got them. So you're probably gonna need to charge them for a couple of hours. They say you only need to charge it for 3 hours, so we'll see. You know, then these just open on up. And you have your drone. Has a 4K camera, 32 gigabyte micro SD card, and the camera itself actually is on a gimbal, so it actually goes up and down. So when you're in there, you can take whatever angle of picture you like. The battery is supposed to actually last half an hour. We'll put that to the test. And I actually have 2 batteries, so I should be able to get about an hour's worth of flight time out of it. And what's cool about this drone is it has a bunch of features. Like it can follow you, you know, sets a pinpoint on your phone, and then wherever you go to it follows. You can set up to 16 waypoints, so it'll fly along that path by itself. You can, it actually has gestures. So if like you put a peace sign, it'll take a picture. If you wave, it'll start recording. Like I said, I haven't tried any of this yet. You're going to see later on in this video me attempting to fly this drone. That's going to happen after I charge the batteries up. So that's pretty much the equipment that I'm going to be using, along with my Samsung phone, to be doing videos. I'm going to let the batteries charge, and we're going to come back and see some drone footage. Here goes some pictures from the drone. I was actually able to get it up there on the first night. Pictures didn't turn out quite bad. Pretty sure with some practice I can do a little better. But overall, I'm very happy with this picture taking. And now let's go check out some video. Now we got flight. Hopefully I don't mess it up this time. It is actually very windy here, and the drone is flying pretty stable. I'm quite surprised. It has a bunch of sensors on it. Well, one sensor, and then the GPS function, which is what helps stabilize the drone, keeps it hovering, so you can get smooth video. The reason it's probably not smooth to you guys because I'm still learning how to control it. You know, I'm scared it's gonna fly away on me because there have been I've heard rumors of drones just, you know, flying off and people not being able to recover them. So that's one thing I don't want to do. wind started really picking up. That's why you see it shake. I actually got a warning on the controller saying high winds. So it's cool, it gives you a lot of feedback on what's going on. These are meant to be flown in the least windy conditions as possible, but it can handle some wind, or else you wouldn't be getting as smooth a video as you're getting as right now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell and you'll get notifications on when I put out more videos. Thanks.